supercars, fleeing from traffic stop, and high-speed crazy chase, all in today's episode. The trooper observed a Lamborghini speeding and attempted to catch up. The Lamborghini initially fled, but was eventually stopped at a traffic light, where the trooper successfully initiated a traffic stop.
Yeah, buddy! Woo! Hey!
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, just one.
On September 1st, 2024, dispatch issued a call regarding a gray Chevrolet Traverse. A witness reported that the driver was seen waving a black and red handgun out of the vehicle's window.
Paper 20 flipped up on it. We're going to go 1024 9th Street, Service Road.
10-4, 9th Street, take the Service Road.
Trooper initiated a traffic stop on the gray Chevrolet Traverse, and the driver, identified as Foreman, initially pulled into a vacant parking lot. Trooper exited his patrol unit and informed Foreman of the reason for the stop. Foreman was cooperative at first, but as the trooper approached the driver's side to have him exit the vehicle, Foreman suddenly fled the scene in his vehicle, sparking a pursuit.
No, what are you doing? Hey, there we go.
Go ahead.
1037. Seatbelt, come on. Turn on College Street. East on 11.
During the pursuit, Foreman exceeded the posted speed limit by 25 miles per hour, recklessly driving through residential areas. He continuously turned from one city street to another, disregarding stop signs and endangering other motorists and pedestrians. His erratic driving posed a significant risk as he attempted to evade law enforcement.
Back east on College Street. He's over on Bond, you just passed it, coming behind him. Back west on 8th Street.
Back west on 8th Street.
East on Bird. East on 6. East on Capitol.
Foreman eventually came to a stop between two streets, exited his vehicle, and fled on foot. Troopers quickly gave chase as he attempted to evade capture on foot.
Going back up to Bond, Bird.
Foreman was located in a backyard, where Trooper successfully deployed his taser, allowing officers to take him into custody without further incident. No handgun was located in the Traverse, along Foreman's footpath, or on his person when he was taken into custody. However, a scale with marijuana residue was discovered under the driver's floor mat. On September 4th, 2024, while patrolling Interstate 630 West, Trooper observed a vehicle with an unreadable paper tag. Trooper initiated a traffic stop, but the suspect's vehicle suddenly accelerated, initiating a high-speed pursuit. The chase quickly escalated as the suspect drove erratically, reaching speeds of 117 miles per hour, making abrupt lane changes in an attempt to evade capture. The pursuit snaked through residential streets and multiple highway exits, posing significant risks to public safety and testing Trooper's pursuit skills as he navigated through heavy traffic to maintain control of the situation. Despite Trooper's best efforts, the suspect skillfully maneuvered through traffic and managed to evade capture. The Arkansas State Police are actively investigating the incident, and efforts to identify and apprehend the suspect remain ongoing. Authorities are reviewing footage and gathering evidence to bring the individual to justice.
Serenity Drive.
On September 4th, 2024, Trooper was on patrol along Interstate 540 when he noticed a white Ford 500 speeding at 81 miles per hour. When the Trooper activated his lights to initiate a traffic stop, the driver, Alicia Gonzalez, ignored the signal and instead accelerated, weaving dangerously through traffic to evade capture.
vehicle?
Well, it's a white car. He just went off the road. I think we were going that way. He's going against traffic. 64 here.
Gonzalez's dangerous actions involved driving on the wrong side of the road, blowing through stop signs, and hitting speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. During the chase, the trooper ensured a safe distance was maintained while adhering to pursuit protocols to minimize risks to other drivers and pedestrians.
He's back on the road.
The chase came to a dramatic conclusion when Gonzalez lost control of her vehicle, enabling the trooper to safely terminate the pursuit.
Yeah, he's pulled over. We're going to do a felony stop here.
She by herself?
Yes.
Okay. Throw her in my car. 21, 10, 15.
Get your legs down.
There you go.
Thanks, Corporate. I'll be out with you.
Good stuff.
After her apprehension, it was discovered that Gonzalez did not possess a valid driver's license or proof of insurance. She was subsequently arrested and charged with felony fleeing, speeding, and several traffic violations.
Down.
Yeah.
I was trying to let you get in front of me.
Well, yeah, I was trying to get around to get
Stop at 106.
Fort Smith. The tag is Adam George Robert 28 Charles. Adam George Robert 28 Charles. Send me up to the left.
Anything? Search card.
Yeah, look in it if you don't mind. What's your birthday, Alicia?
This case highlights the significant challenges and dangers that law enforcement officers encounter during high-speed pursuits, as well as their dedication to maintaining public safety.
How old is she? How old is she?
What are you, 18?
Yes.
18.
14.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't trying to take over, but I was so far ahead of you. I was like,
Yeah,
might as well
nah.
go. I got it.
Ah, you got it.
Popcorn. Loaded.
Yeah, you got it, okay. That's why she